Hi there, in this video, I'm going to show you some simple home remedies that you can use to ulcers. These remedies are all natural and easy to follow, so stick around and I'll show them to you right now. There are various natural therapies that may help to prevent or improve stomach ulcers. Flavonoids are naturally occurring anti-inflammatory and antioxidant compounds found in fruits, vegetables, and other plant products. They may reduce ulcer inflammation and protect the stomach lining from NSAID damage. Ulcers must be treated or they will worsen. Medications are considered first-line therapy for stomach ulcers because they can heal them while minimizing the risk of complications such as bleeding. Traditional triple therapy for ulcer care includes a proton pump inhibitor, amoxicillin, and Biaxin, clarithromycin, for 7 to 10 days. Medications for stomach ulcers include 13. Because H. pylori is a bacteria, antibiotics are required to treat it. Even if you start feeling better before the antibiotics are done, you must take them exactly as prescribed. Antacids reduce stomach acid and, while they may make you feel better, they will not cure an ulcer. Before taking antacids, consult your doctor because they may interfere with certain antibiotics. Proton pump inhibitors, PPIs, aim to lower stomach acid and protect the stomach and duodenal lining. However, they do not treat or cure H. pylori. Nexium, esomeprazole, Prevacid, lansoprazole, Prilosec, omeprazole, and Convimep are examples of commonly used PPIs, omeprazole and sodium bicarbonate. H2 blockers, histamine receptor blockers, inhibit histamine, the substance that tells your stomach to create acid. This lowers ulcer discomfort while also protecting it during the healing process. Examples include Pepcid, famotidine, and Zantac, ranitidine. Stomach lining drugs cover ulcers and shield them from stomach acid, allowing them to heal. These drugs can kill H. pylori but must be used with antibiotics. Carafate, sucralfate, and Pepto-Bismol are examples, bismuth subsalicylate. Stomach ulcers can cause inflammation in the stomach or small intestine wall, causing pain and difficulties eating. Aloe vera coats the stomach lining and has anti-inflammatory properties in the gastrointestinal tract. Aloe vera also alleviated inflammatory symptoms in people with ulcerative colitis, according to the researchers. Probiotics are live microorganisms made up of bacteria and yeast. They are helpful bacteria that can keep your gut healthy. Probiotics improved the treatment of peptic ulcers and lowered the probability of treatment adverse effects. According to a study, 5-amoxicillin, a proton pump inhibitor, and Biaxin are all part of the triple therapy for ulcers, clarithromycin. Ginger has long been used to treat stomach distress. A study looked at the effects of ginger on inflammatory bowel disease and discovered that it could target inflammation in the gastrointestinal tract and stop damage. It also increased gut healing elements. Ginger has also been demonstrated to be useful in preventing stomach ulcers caused by H. pylori, stress, alcohol, and NSAIDs. Turmeric, a member of the ginger family, is a popular health supplement. Curcumin, the primary component of turmeric, has been shown to protect against inflammation. It may help to avoid stomach ulcer disease. While further research is needed, the preliminary findings are encouraging. Chamomile. Chamomile is a daisy-like herb that is used to treat a range of diseases. Chamomile has been shown to reduce inflammation in the digestive tract and can help cure moderate ulcerative colitis. Deglycyrrhizinated licorice has been shown to suppress H. pylori activity in the gut. This may help to avoid the formation of ulcers caused by this type of bacteria. Deglycyrrhizinated licorice lacks glycyrrhizic acid and hence has fewer adverse effects. Honey. You may have tried honey to treat cold symptoms in the past, but it can do so much more. According to research, honey has antibacterial and antifungal qualities, which means it can combat germs and fungi in the body. It also has antiviral and antioxidant effects. Honey has been used to treat inflammatory gastrointestinal illnesses. Garlic. Garlic has antioxidant and antibacterial effects. A study discovered that consuming a garlic supplement can decrease H. pylori colonization in the digestive tract, which aids in the prevention of stomach ulcers. Garlic also helps to reduce inflammation in the body.